Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Huawei Mate X5 just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate, LTPO OLED display, IPX8 water resistance rating, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, fast wired and wireless charging, and many more. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Huawei Mate X5, a foldable flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the Huawei Mate X5 Collection Edition phone, and the box of the Huawei Mate X5 is in red color. Checking the detail on the box, it's the variant with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, which is top end version. It features a plain leather finish. Removing the plastic of the box, on the top of the box you can see the mention of the Huawei Mate X5 and there is a Kunlun glass logo. Opening the box, the first thing you will find is the phone itself, and there are safety instructions on the top of the plastic cover that written in Chinese. After setting the phone aside for the moment, let's take a look at the rest of the box content. Inside the box, you will find a 66-watt power adapter and a data cable. Additionally, there is a user manual and transparent case included. Now let's talk about the phone's design and build quality. Upon removing the plastic from the phone, you will notice it's a sleek design and build. The phone runs on the latest HarmonyOS 5. One of the standout features of this phone is its Kunlun glass protection, which is similar to Gorilla Glass and offers an excellent tempered glass-like durability. In addition, the glass incorporates second-generation tempering technology, and the Huawei Mate X5 boasts a dust and water resistance. Compared to its predecessor, it offers a remarkable 7300% increase in scratch resistance. In this video, I will be sharing my first impression of this Huawei Mate X5. For the in-depth review, stay tuned as I will be uploading it in 2 days on this channel. It's worth noting that the Huawei Mate X5 has received the world's first Swiss SES Gold Label 5-star certification for scratch resistance and wear resistance. The Huawei Mate X5 features a close-fitting laminated structured design. What's unique about it? It is use of the industry's unique impact resistance non-Newton in fluid material. Despite being a foldable phone, it still achieves an IPX8 water resistance rating. The outer screen is a 6.4-inch OLED display. Upon unfolding the phone, you greet with the generous 7.85-inch flexible OLED screen. This display utilizes Huawei's immersive display technology, offering a stunning visual experience with access to 1.07 billion colors. The screen offers a pixel density of 426 pixels per inch, delivering a crisp visuals. Both the internal and external screen boast a peak brightness of 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. They also features a 1440 Hz PWM dimming features. Moreover, both screens are certified by TV and LAND for professional color standards, guaranteeing accurate and vibrant colors. Additionally, they supports a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz thanks to the LTPO display technology, which helps in reducing power consumption. Looking at the back of the phone, you will notice a rounded camera module that has a square shape from the inner side, giving it a unique design. The camera module outer ring features the use of diamond crystal cutting technology and nanoscale mirror polishing technology. This results in the high-end textures and stunning appearance. Now let's talk about the Huawei Mate X5's camera setup. It boasts a 50 megapixel super sensing main camera, a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, supporting an impressive 50x zoom capabilities. Additionally, the phone also supports macro photography. When it comes to the battery of the Huawei Mate X5, it's equipped with the 5060 mAh negative electrode battery. Charging this battery is a breeze with 66-watt fast charging support, ensuring quick replacement of the power. Additionally, it offers a 50-watt wireless charging supports and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging functionality. Notably, the phone also features a new emergency mode, like iPhone 14 series offers a satellite messaging service for SOS situation. When folded, the phone has a thickness of 11.08 mm, making it quite slim and portable. In the unfolded state, the phone has a thickness of just 5.3 mm. The weight of the plain leather variant is 243 grams, while the feather sand variant weighs 245 grams. As I mentioned earlier, I will be uploading a detailed review of this phone soon. So stay connected with our channel for in-depth review video. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
To hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.